Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. My name is Retrusy and I'm a YouTuber based in Zambia. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a smoky eye, and the first thing that I'm doing here is just lining my eyebrows and filling them in. After filling them in, you brush through so that the hairs can lie down properly, and also you conceal your eyebrows to correct all those mistakes that you made when drawing, or just to make them look nice. Use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone for the down part, and for the front part of the down part of the eyebrows I used a foundation, and also for the top part I used the same foundation. So you brush through the concealer so as to prevent it from creasing, and there I'm just spraying some setting spray, and I was just tapping in using a wet beauty blender so that it completely sets in, because I do not have a fan. And right now I'm applying foundation. You tap it in using a wet beauty blender or a foundation brush. The next thing, I'm concealing my eyebrows, and I'm putting the black eyeshadow just there. I'm avoiding to make a line. And I'm blending in using a brown eyeshadow, just like you can see. And for a smoky eye, blending is the key. For as long as you blend in very well, everything will be perfect. And now I'm putting another foundation, because that is not my shade of foundation, so I usually use 2 foundations to come up with my shade. And I'm just putting some lipstick there. Blend it in towards the temple. There, I think that is the temple. And this side it was a lot, so what I did, I used the clean part of the beauty blender to just blend through so that it can be like the other side. And I started highlighting with powder. Under my eyes, and the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin, and there I'm contouring in the areas that remained. So don't forget to contour your nose. And now I'm putting a thin line of eyeliner. I'm not so good at this eyeliner thing, so bear with me. And after this, I just put some mascara on my natural eyelashes. And I'm just highlighting that same part. I've forgotten how you call it. Now time for lipstick. You line according to how you want it to be. line up nicely like that. Then I overlined for the bottom part, so I was just cleaning up using a light powder. And guys, all the, what do you call this, the lip gloss, a lot of it came out, so yeah. And the next thing is I am just highlighting. Just put a little bit even on your nose and your eyelashes. And you are done. This is my final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.